about HCF, you know. And we have done the 2 questions regarding HCF, 2 and more than 2, I think. So I'm taking the types of HCF, how we can find the HCF, how we can find the HCF. So children, you know, there are 2 ways to find the HCF. There are 2 ways to find the HCF. First, by the prime factorizations, we can find the HCF. And second method, this is the division method, it's called division method. Now we will understand later about prime factorization. Okay, I'm taking again 1 question for HCF by prime factorization. Okay, children, I repeat again, there are 2 ways to find the HCF. Okay, first method is prime factorization method. If the question is given, find the HCF by prime factorization, so you have to do by the prime factorization method. And if questions given it, find the HCF by the division method, so you have to find the HCF by the division method. Okay, so first I'm taking question number 4, 72. I know some students have done this question, but those are not done. So see from the board, 72, 108 and 180. 72, 108 and 180. Okay, now how we can find the HCF by prime factorization? By prime factorization. Okay, by prime factorization. So first of all, you know, we have to prime factor, we have to take the prime factors of all 3 one by one separately. First, I'm going to take prime factor of 72, then 108, then 180. Then we have to choose the highest common factor. So that will be the HCF of the number. Okay, now, so first 72. Now I'm going to find the prime factorization by 72, you know. Okay, clear? Okay, now don't speak anyone. Okay, now first, because the smallest prime factors, you know, 72 में जाएगा, smallest prime factor का क्या जाएगा? 2, because smallest prime factor is 2, and we can divide by 2. So here is 7, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, 7 minus 6, 1 is remainder, or 1 and 2, that is 12. So 2 6 ja 12, like this. Okay, 36. Now again we can able to do the divide by 2. This is 2 1 ja 2, then 1 is remaining 16, 2 18 ja, like that. Then again 2 9 ja 18. Now we are not able to do the divide by 2, so we will take 3 as a prime number, next prime number. So 3 3 ja 9, then 3 1 ja 3, like that. Okay, so these 72 prime factors, these are. Now look at the prime factor of 108. Okay, we can divide by 2. We can divide by 2. Now 2 because the large digit is 8. 2 5 ja 10 and 2 4 ja 8, like that. Okay, again we can divide this by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 1 is remaining, so 1 and 4 14, 2 7 ja 14, like that. Now we cannot divide by 2, so we choose the next prime number as a 3, because we will able to do divide 27 by 3. 2 9 ja 27. Now 3 3 3 ja 9, then again 3, 3 1 ja 3. Okay, now look at this. Now third is 180, 180. Now again here the last digit is 0, so we will able to do divide by 2. Now 1 is not able to do divide by 2, so take next digit. This is 18, so 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, then 0 is remaining, so 0 will be here 90. Again 0 is in last digit, we will able to do divide by 2, so 2 4 ja 8, 1 is here, then 2 5 ja 10. Okay, then we will divide by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 1 is remaining 15, 3 5 ja 15. Okay, again we will divide by 3, 3 5 ja 15. Now prime number is a 5, so we will divide by 5. Okay, so these are the prime factors of all the three given number, children. These are the
Sir,
prime
please
factors
wait.
of
Don't
all
drop.
three given
Sir,
numbers.
don't drop.
Don't
Sir,
speak,
don't
don't
drop.
speak, don't speak. Now look at this 72, 108, 180. Clear to all? So these are the prime factors of all three numbers. Clear? Now how we will take the HCF of the prime factor, these given prime factor. So first of all you have to write like this. What are the prime factor of 72, bacha? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, like that. What are the prime factor of 108, beta? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. What are the prime factor of 180, beta? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, so we have to write this way all the prime factors. Okay, then we will have to choose the highest common factor, highest common. So first I take 2. अब check करो 2 सब में है. Yes, 2 is here. 2 is a factor of 108 also. 2 is a factor of 180 also. Again 2 is here. Yes, is here, here. Now again 2, no. 2 is a factor of 72, but here not the remaining two factors of 108, 180 nahi bacha hai. Okay, now can check 3 is a factor of all. Yes, 3 idhar bhi hai, here also and here also. Can again 3 is here? Yes, 3 here, here and here, and here is 3, here 5. So we are not taking as a common factor. So look at this, the common factors of these three numbers, it means that will be the HCF, like that. So we will write HCF of 72, 108 and 180 is, so 2 is common is all three factors, so we will take one time like that. इस 2 को हम एक ही बार लिखेंगे because 2 is a common factors of all three numbers. Okay, again 2 is common all three numbers. 2 is a as a prime factors common aa raha hai, so again we will write 2 like this. Okay, now 3 bhi common aa raha hai. Yes, now again 3 again common aa raha hai, like that. Okay, so we will write like this, so that will be the HCF. Now come on, multiplication of these number. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 18, and 18 3 ja 18 3 ja. Okay, what will be the 18 3 ja?
36. Sir, 36.
हाँ, 18 3 ja 36. 18 3 ja. Look at it.
No,
2 2 ja
sir.
4, 4 3 ja 12. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Yes, not 36. That 12 3 ja 36. 2 2 ja 4 bacha. 4 3 ja 12 and 12 3 ja 36. Okay, so that will be the 36 will be the answer as a HCF beta. Okay, so that will be the, again I repeat children, now we are understanding these three given digits taking HCF by division method. So here is 72 is a smallest number and 108 is a greater number, so take two numbers, so divide 108 by 72. Okay, Clear बच्चा? Okay. Now can we divide 72 in 108? Yes, 72 में 108 का divide हो सकता है. So 2 times, so 140. No, only one time we will take. Okay, now 72 is here, then subtract them. 8 minus 2, it will be 6, and here is 0. Borrow 1 0 10. 10 minus 3, it means 36. So 36 as a remainder we will receive. 36 as a remainder we will receive. Now children, 36 make again डिवीजर. हमें 36 को अगेन डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, बट किससे? प्रीवियस डिवीजर से. ओके, दैट विल बी 72. अब क्या है वो पहले वाला? 72. सो राइट डाउन 72 इज हियर. और ये कब तक चलेंगे? टिल नाउ रिमाइंडर गेट 0, जब तक रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाता. अभी तो रिमाइंडर 36 आया था, तो 36 को किससे डिवाइड कर दिया? इसके प्रीवियस डिवीजर से. ओके, नाउ 36 2 जा 36 2 जा 36 2 ja, sorry, 72, and remainder will be 0. And now children, you can see that we will get remainder as a 0, then stop. अब stop हो जाता है. But what about 180? 180 तो अभी रह गया है ना. So we have to successfully take out the SCF of 72 and 108, that is 36. That is 36. वो क्या है? 36 है SCF. अब now this SCF means 72 और 108 का जो SCF आया है 36, then again divide by the third digit. अब third digit को again divide कर देते हैं हम. 180 36. Okay, 36 को again divide करते हैं. So how many time बेटा? कितनी बार जा सकता है?
So 5 times.
5 times. So 36 into 5. Yes, easily divide. Okay, so 5 times when we divide it, so 180 will come and remainder will be 0. Remainder will be 0. So you can see that all 3 digits as a common divisor is 36. That will be the SCF is equal to SCF of 72, 108 and 180 will be 36. Answer will be 36. So children, you can see that in prime factorization method and division method, answer will be same. Again I repeat, if the equation is given, so take a SCF from a prime factorization method. So you can follow the previous method, that was the prime factorization method. Then if you question given, take the SCF of division method, so you can follow this division method. Okay, so मैंने आपको दोनों ही करा दिए बेटा. I hope you will understood all the two. Okay, children, this is the question number 10. Find SCF 5870 by the division method. So division, from the division method, children, we have to find the SCF of 58 and 70. Now let's start how to do it. So first you can see that 58 is a smallest number of 70, smaller number than 70 is a greater number than 58. So first we will divide 70 and 58. Okay, now divide it one time, then 58 is here, then subtract 0 and 10. 1 is borrow, 1 is borrow, so it will be 10, and here is 6. So 10 minus 8, that will be 2, and here is 6 is remaining. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 is here, correct? Okay, now remainder is 12. अब क्या करें? 58 को again divide करना पड़ेगा. Okay, by 12. Okay, just like its previous circle. Clear? Now look at this. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, and 12 5 ja 60. So 12 4 ja 48. Okay, so 8 minus 8 is 0 and 5 minus 4 1. Clear? Clear now? Okay, now again 12 is a divisor, so again isko kariye 10 1 ja 10. Okay, so divisor is 2. Divisor kya bacha? 2. Divisor 2. Okay, now remainder is not 0, so again divide this, the previous divisor is 10, so 10 se again karenge, so that time 2 5 ja 10, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Clear? Remainder is 0. It means HCF of 58 and 70 is क्या HCF होगा बताइए?
2.
2
Sir, 2.
is the answer. Okay, very good. Now again you can see that is a question number 11. 399,437. Find the HCF by the division method, children. So first we have to divide 437 by 399. Divide one time. 399. 38 will be the remainder when we subtract 399 from 437. And 38 is not a 0, so we have to divide 399 again, like that. 399 and इसको हमने डिविडेंड बना लिया. 399 और 38 को हम 399 से डिवाइड करेंगे, so 380 10 टाइम जाएगा and remainder will be 19. Again we not receive the remainder as a 0, so again हमें 38 को डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, like that. 39 38, so 19 2 ja 38. So this time we have taken remainder as a 0. So beta, no need to speak. So we have taken as a 0. So now 19 यहाँ हमने 0 get कर लिया ना. It means this divisor 19 will be the HCF of the given number. So that will be the HCF of 399,437 will be 19.